I'm gonna talk to you guys about training from the flinch. But what do I mean by training from the flinch? You ever had somebody try to get you to flinch? Just shut up and don't flinch. Don't flinch. And you do one of these, that's what we're here to discuss. 3 F's, man. No, not this 3 F's. We're gonna discuss the fight, flight, or freeze response that your body chemically induces on you in the sight of danger or in the presence of danger. It's anxiety. It's a sudden urge of anxiety, fear. So that comes from evolution. Back millions of years ago, when we had to run away from lions and tigers and bears and the world was a way more dangerous place, we evolved this sense of anxiety. You have anxiety, it's completely normal. But here's how you make anxiety work for you. Understand, it's just an emotion now. It's not who you are, like all emotions. So you break up with anxiety. You're not me. Yes, I am. Yes, no, I am. You're not me. Yes, I am. No. Yes, I am. No. Yes, I am. Yes, you're not me. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. No, you're not. And you use it. You use it what it's there for. It's there to keep you sharp. So when you're doing your training, find a way to stimulate that anxiety. Think of something that gets your heart racing. Like all of a sudden have a vision of like a sucker punch. Look, don't flinch. Don't, as you're doing your defensive moves, or if you're working on a counter, don't flinch. Shut up, yo. Let's go. Where's it coming from? Bam, and a slip. Bam. Think of something like you're falling. You get a feeling when you're falling, that sinking feeling in your stomach. All that's anxiety, man. All that's that fear. Summon that up and use it. If I'm training, say I'm doing pull-ups, bam, I'm banging out pull-ups, and I can't get the last one up, I'll suddenly think of the urge that I'm falling off a cliff, or I'm about to fall off a cliff, and then boom, I'll pull myself up with everything I got, like my life depends on it. When you train like that, in anxiety, in that space, you get more familiar with recognizing the emotion when it appears out of the blue. Sometimes you be just chilling, all of a sudden your heart be racing, and you just get that feeling like, boom, you feel like you're in the presence of danger or death just walked into the room. It's completely normal. Something obviously triggered you, or whatever you're telling yourself in your head has triggered the emotion. But since you're familiar with the emotion, because you've been training with the emotion, where's it coming from? Pick a hand, pick a hand. Pick a hand, pick a hand. Pick a hand. Pick a hand. Which one? Which one do you want? Look, you got both. Which one? You can distinguish whether between that emotion and yourself, and you can kind of put a lid on it, make it calm down. You can start telling yourself everything's okay, start breathing deeply, and realize that, yo, you're getting yourself triggered for nothing. So this is how you gain that kind of awareness when it comes to anxiety. You gotta stimulate it in your training. It helps to make you sharp. So next time somebody tries to make you flinch, but have an answer. Don't go. You're panicking. You're panicking. Right? Like if I ask you your name, you tell me your name instantly. You don't even gotta think about it because you know your name inside and out. You're familiar with it, so you're not gonna think. It's just reflexive. It's the same thing when you see these boxers in the ring. You don't think they're feeling pressure. You don't think they're feeling anxiety, but they get accustomed to training under that environment. So when they're in the ring and all the lights are on and it's time for them to do their thing, they're executing their moves with the precision of a surgeon, even with the anxiety. It's because they're used to it, they get accustomed to it, they train with it, they stimulate it, they know it's not them, they know what it's there for. They get accustomed to using it to help them, to build them, to sharpen them. So you guys do the same. Don't let anxiety cripple you. Remember, it's fight, flight, or freeze. I'm more of a fighter, because this is fighting fitness. I'm gonna stay fighting till my dying day. You guys decide which one you're gonna be. Are you fighting today? Don't flinch. You're getting old, fam. Huh? Don't make me start moving my feet. Don't make me start. Huh? Who's getting old? Don't flinch. You're getting old.